Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann with the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Halloween, Monday the 31st of October. Beautiful weather today. Great night for the trick-or-treaters across this great state. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network. Boy, look at the colors coming out from Mount Cheehaw. Isn't that nice? Oh, yeah. Ooh, it's a good time of the year. Wrapping up the month of October, sailing into November tomorrow with a clear sky and the Alabama hillsides looking like that. Goodness. There's the Selma Skycam down in Dallas County looking down the Alabama River. And, of course, you know where the water goes down here, the Gulf of Mexico. Beautiful time of the year down there in the Alabama Gulf Coast from the Phoenix All Suites. A cloudless sky over the Gulf of Mexico. Got a trough rotating through here today, but no moisture means no rain, just a reinforcing surge of dry air. Temperatures this afternoon in the 60s everywhere, ranging from 64 at Haleyville, Gadsden, and Anniston to 69 in Montgomery. And around the nation, got a tongue of warmer air coming up over the Plain States, still cold up in the northeast where they're digging out from the big snowstorm. Coldest air sitting over parts of Wisconsin and Minnesota. They're in the 40s at mid-afternoon up there. Up on the watch warning map, we've got winter storm watches for parts of Colorado, Wyoming, and Nebraska. That feature could kick off a few showers here by Thursday, but probably not much rain as the moisture will be quite limited. As you can see, this is suggesting amounts of less than 1/10 of an inch here. Obviously, no big deal, and once we get past that event on Thursday, weather looks great for Friday, Saturday, and most of the day Sunday. Tropical weather, quiet as could be out there, so we'll take a look at modeling. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. There's that trough digging down across the Rockies that will produce some good snow out there. You can see that snowstorm developing, especially over Wyoming tomorrow. Wednesday, the system gets a little closer, but we stay dry. Beautiful day tomorrow and Wednesday. Highs both days. I'd say right around 70. The NAM is printing 70 on both days. Sounds pretty good here. Thursday, the trough axis is swinging through, and again, it might squeeze out a shower or two, but this run looks awfully dry. Rainfall amounts on Thursday should be light and spotty. A lot of folks might not see enough rain to measure. And Friday, that's on by. We get back into dry air. A tad cooler. Highs go back in the low and mid-60s. Great night for football Friday night, first round of the high school playoffs. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, got a powerhouse storm over Minnesota, but that will not bother us. We do have a southerly wind, and that might push us up in the 70s. The latest GFS is showing 74. It might be a tad breezy out of the south. And also the wedge is kind of a possible player there with some of the cooler air coming down from the east, but we'll probably forecast low 70s for now. And then Sunday, that deep low moves up to Hudson Bay, and there's a trailing front Sunday evening that tries to ease in here with some evidence of maybe light rain showers by Sunday night. So we'll take a look at that and see if we need to mention that in future forecast. And there's Monday, big old 588 ridge nosing in here from the Gulf, and got a big deep trough in the west, and that looks relatively mild. We'd be up in the mid-70s if this is right, with the better rain opportunities to the north of here. So, again, we might look at a shower late Sunday or Sunday night, but with that ridge coming in, doesn't look like a big deal. We'll check the end of the forecast mid-month on the 16th. Look at the strong winds aloft up there, 50 knots at 500 millibars. And down below that, a pretty dry air mass. And, again, that looks relatively quiet. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.